Welcome to Free Learning. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this nice chart. And specifically, I want to emphasize on how to add this average line like this. So, suppose you have a data set like this, the sales for each month. So let's start from scratch, create a new sheet, and we post the data here. So to create a bar chart for this data, we go to Insert, Recommended Charts, and we select a bar chart. Let's calculate the average of sales. So let's do it here, average of these values. Okay, so now to add the average line, we add a new column, we call it average, and we post this value here like this. So now let's click on the graph and include this column. But the problem that you see here is that Excel also plots this new column as bars. So to fix this, we go to Chart Design, change chart type, and we go to Combo, and we select line for the average column. We click on OK. So here we have our charts. So till now we have finished the task. So let's just make some adjustments like the style and include the chart title. For example, this is monthly sales. Here we can also include the data labels like this, and we put them outside. And what you can see here, a problem that also the average values are included. So to remove them, just click here, select them all, and click on delete. So now we are done. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.